Hey Burbis, it's Coach Millard. Uh, Decided to do something a little different for your last map note, and your last map note with Daniel Boone. Um, just wanted to tell you it's been an awesome 4 years having you as my student in PE. The laughs, the good times, watching you grow as a student has been very special to me. Um, I've really enjoyed every minute of it. I hope you remember lessons you've learned and to never give up on yourself. If you have a dream or a goal, you can do it. Don't let anybody tell you can't do something. If you want something bad enough, go after it, Burbis. Uh, you're in control of your own destiny, and hard work and effort do pay off. I've enjoyed all the times we've had, this is your last map note at Daniel Boone, and you're going on to middle school. I hope you take some lessons you've learned from here at Daniel Boone, and you don't forget about us here. And I wish you the best in everything you do in your life. I know you got great things ahead of you, and I want you to achieve as much as possible. I want to thank you for being such a good student, type of student that makes teaching enjoyable. So I hope you enjoy your last map note. I wish you the best, Burbis. Good luck with everything that holds you in the future.